Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q7 rear wiper blade. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, requiring no special tools. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. You will need a new, correct-sized wiper blade for your Audi Q7 and a soft cloth to protect your window. Let's get started with the initial preparation steps. Now, let's remove the worn-out blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents it from snapping back unexpectedly. Next, find the small tab or clip at the base of the blade where it meets the arm. You'll need to press or pull this tab to release the blade. Once released, simply slide the old blade downwards and off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Consonants in Old French were articulated with greater clarity. A significant difference is that final consonants, which are often silent in modern French, were typically pronounced. For example, the S sound was frequently voiced, similar to the Z in the English word zebra. The R sound was likely a trilled or tapped R rather than the uvular R of today. Furthermore, CH before A, O, or U often sounded like a K, adding to its distinct character. Finally, let's complete the installation and test it out. Gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Make sure the blade lies flat and makes full contact with the window. Now, turn on your Audi Q7 and activate the rear wiper. Observe its movement to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively without leaving any streaks. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Audi Q7 rear wiper blade.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.